Hello and welcome to another update video about LINK. Chainlink has pushed further into resistance. It has come into my target area already a few days ago. We had an initial reaction, but now we have seen quite a, fairly strong reaction actually to the 61.8% fib level here at 823. That is the 61.8 level, one of the most relevant Fibonacci retracement levels. LINK generally is one of the most bearish charts that we currently have. It would take a lot to convince me these days that this is going to go up without another low. I think Chainlink needs another low. The overall wave count would suggest that we have seen from the high here around $9.50 that we've seen a wave 1 to the downside, a wave 2 retracement to the 61.8 level. We are next going to push down in a wave 3, and the end target would be around the $3 level, to be honest, maybe a bit higher, yeah, but sort of in that direction. Now, of course, there is a bullish scenario available in which we would count all of this move from the low, which was at $5.30, as a leading diagonal, and then in a wave 2 here to the downside, and we would now be starting in a wave 3. Now that is possible, but I'm not convinced of that until we get first of all above 879, that is the 78.6% Fibonacci retracement level. A move above that level will make a wave 2 actually quite unlikely, but of course a wave 2 doesn't get invalidated until it gets above 950, which would be the beginning of the wave 1. So we have to keep a bit of an open mind here, but for me things are pointing to the downside, either from here or from that 879 level. It doesn't really matter if we briefly break above 879. I'm more talking about a substantial move above here, where we also move above and hold it. But overall, I am focused here on the downside and would expect that we come down here soon. A signal that we indeed come down would be a break below the $7.60 level, which is the previous swing low here. And I mean, the next pullback will determine, in my opinion, where we are heading. This for me looks like a corrective wave pattern to the upside. It is not an impulsive for me, so I'm still focused on the downside. We reached my target anyway, yeah, in this green area, and the next wave down could take us down in a wave 3, and we can also calculate a target for that, but it's a bit difficult to calculate it because I have not yet a clear signal that this wave 2 is over. But let's assume it is over, then we're looking for the wave 3 for a price, for a value of I would say here the $5 level. That's the 1-to-1 ratio between wave 1 and 3. If we come down to the 1.618 extension, then we are very bearish. That would be already for the wave 3 a $3 level. But let's first talk about here the 1-to-1 ratio. I think because the wave 1 was already so long and seems like an extended one, the wave 3 might just be a normal one that might only do the 1-to-1 ratio. We'll see. And maybe the wave 2 pushes a bit higher. And if it does, it will move all these fibs a little bit higher as well. Yeah, and will then also make the targets less bearish. But for me, no point at the moment, at least here, to be too bullish about LINK. Yeah, I'm happy to be proven wrong. Yeah, and we have to have an open mind, of course. But at the moment, everything's pointing here to the downside. And again, only initially a move above 879 would make me consider something more bullish here. Okay, and that's my update about LINK. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.